Lie, it's a very big lie and a very big one that we want to demystify today.
Ni maoni yake Isabel Zatu, mhadhiri wa wanagenzi chuo kikuu cha Kibabii, kikanusha madai kuwa kuna uhaba wa kazi kwa wanagenzi wanaosomea kozi zilizo chini ya fakulti ya sanaa na sayansi ya kijamii. Akizungumza na wanahabari, Isabel aliweka wazi kuwa jamii na taifa kwa ujumla haliwezi kuishi bila sosiolojia, na hii ndio huwafanya watu kuzungumza na kushirikiana.
The society in a whole, the community in a whole, and nation cannot survive without sociology. Okay? And sociology is what makes people communicate, is what makes people relate, you know. So it's not about chance. Life is all about how you relate, how you communicate, and that is where Faculty of Arts and Sciences is. Criminology, journalism, and what is that, and social work. So we have structures and institutions all over in our communities that support how the community survives in its structure. So you cannot say that hakuna kupata kazi if you are in journalism, if you are at criminology. There's work everywhere. So it is a lie.
Isabel pia alifichua nyanja tofauti kwa wanagenzi wanaosomea taaluma ya wanahabari na mawasiliano ya umma.
When you look at communication and actually when you look at mass communication and journalism, there are very many areas that you can practice. You not only have to work in a studio or a media house. Every organization and institution, even NGOs, they need content creators. They actually hire content creators. They hire public relations. They hire marketers. Okay, so you don't have to settle for only doing editing or graphics, a media house. No. There's space in every organization, be it international, regional, even this local community.
Isabel alimalizia kwa kuwashauri wanagenzi wanaofanya kozi zilizo chini ya fakulti ya sanaa na sayansi ya kijamii.
So maybe just to debunk that thought that if you're in pass you won't get work, as I said earlier, it's a lie. There's work out there, there are opportunities out there for anyone who's doing criminology, anyone who's doing journalism, and anyone who's doing social work. There are a lot of opportunities out there. Just because it is not popular or just because people don't talk about it as much does not mean it does not exist. So they are there and they're there in plenty. That's why you offer those courses. Otherwise, if they were not there, we wouldn't be offering the courses that we do.
Toka chuo kikuu cha Kibabii nikiripotia Kibu TV, langu jina ni Paul Wanjala.